Namaste, a warm welcome in my channel. In today's class, we will learn a theoretical proof from geometry from the chapter circle. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for regular notifications. The screen shows the images of different videos from the chapter circle published in my channel. In today's class, I have picked a question in which O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter, and DO is perpendicular to AB. Studying the figure, we are asked to prove a condition where angle AEC is equal to angle ODA. As usual, we start our solution first by constructing the figure, mentioning the given conditions and statements to prove, drawing the statement region table, and now observing the figure and comparing triangle ACB and triangle ADO, we can write angle ACB is equal to angle AOD. As both angles are right angles, here angle AOD is given 90 degree by question and angle ACB is 90 degree because it is the angle made by the diameter AB on the circumference of the circle, which will always be a right angle, that is 90 degree. Secondly, angle BAC is equal to angle DAO as both are the common angles formed at vertex A, and angle ABC is equal to angle ODA, both being the remaining angles in a triangle. Now, in triangle AEC and triangle ABC, we can write angle AEC is equal to angle ABC as both angles are the inscribed angles standing on the same arc AC. Finally, we can conclude that angle AEC is equal to angle ODA from the statement 2 and 1, 3. Hoping that I was successful in solving your problem clearly, with a promise to come back with similar video next time, I'd like to depart for now. Have a nice study. Bye bye.